Seize the day. Make it happen. There comes a point when you have to stop waiting for the perfect time, because the perfect time rarely shows up. You have to decide that today is the day you start moving towards something better. Maybe you want more freedom, more control over your income, more flexibility in how you spend your time. Or maybe you're simply tired of working hard while someone else determines what your time is worth. That's where TruPowur comes in. The energy industry is massive. Every business needs electricity and natural gas to keep the doors open, the lights on, and the business running. And when you work with TruPowur, you have the opportunity to help those businesses reduce their energy costs while building an income of your own. You don't have to create the product. You don't have to manufacture anything. And you don't have to convince someone they need energy. They're already buying it. Your job is to help them make smarter decisions about how they buy it and potentially get paid month after month as the customers you build continue using energy. That's what makes this opportunity different. You're not just chasing the next paycheck. You're building relationships, building customers, and building a residual income that has the potential to compound over time. But none of that happens by waiting. At some point, you have to seize the day, make the decision, and make it happen. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com, and we'll see you on the inside.